And welcome everyone to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate. Today we're going to be going over CO2 leak repair. As you can see, the customer put some painter's tape around the fitting. That's where it's leaking out. So after removing the tape, I just turned it on for about a second or so just to see if I could hear anything. Usually you will hear a hiss once you open that valve. So now I'm gonna just confirm with some bubbles, and as you can see, you have your leak right there at the fitting. More than likely this is due to someone who may have recently replaced the cylinder, and when they removed the fitting, the insert, the washer dropped out, and they probably didn't notice. But as I'm going through, I'm just gonna loosen up that fitting now just to see if the washer is in place. And as you can see, there's no washer in there, and that's the reason why that's leaking from that fitting. This is the washer that you would use on that fitting, the CO2 washer. You can see it just fits right in. Just push it right down into the fitting like that, and then you can reconnect your fitting. I'm using a wrench because I didn't really I wasn't really paying attention. I didn't notice there the wrench usually is on that tube. That's it right there. That's the wrench for your CO2 fitting, and that is supposed to stay on there. Sometimes they do come up missing, so at least that one is there, and that's the way it should usually hang up top like that, not down at the bottom. And now I'm just doing a retest with the CO2 on, and I'm getting no bubbles right now, so that system is repaired and good to go. Thank you for choosing Donastar Enterprises, the trusted name in commercial beverage equipment service. Our nationwide network delivers expert installations, maintenance, repairs, and system upgrades you can rely on. Visit us at www.donastar.com or call 833-366-2782 today. Donastar Enterprises, powering performance one system at a time.